Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Nabina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fellow brothers and sisters, Ade Kaka, this blessed afternoon, the Prof TV channel will talk about test that Allah tests the believers. All right. At times, we as human beings, when Allah tests us, we try to say, "Why me? Why me? Kenapa saya? Why me? Mesa Allah yake yami wanga abu." That is not the way to do this. Be very careful using those words. Allah tests those whom He loves, and when we know, according to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Anbiya, the prophets of God, are those who are who are tested the most. Allah tests the Anbiya the most, more than us. So when you have a test, it's Allah loves you. You want to see your patience, you believe in Qadar and Qadar, trying to know that inshallah, innamal usri yusra. After hardship comes ease, inshallah. So Allah also mentioned the Quran in Surah Al-Baqarah that He will test us with fear, hunger, loss of lives and wealth, right? And then also in Surah Al-Anfal, it is mentioned somewhere that your wealth and children are a test for you, and then great reward comes from Allah. Okay, so as human beings, especially as Muslims, believe in the Quran and Hadith, whenever we get a test, try to compose ourselves. All right, no blame game. We just return the affair to Allah. I remember Salama, the wife of Abu Salama, when after he passed away, I think two Sahaba like Umar Abu Bakr tried to ask for her in marriage, which she refused, and then Rasulullah also sent for her for marriage. Then she said, "Go and tell Rasulullah I'm an old woman." Rasulullah said, "No, I'm also old." Lady, she's trying to sell, play her together. Diana Jua Mahal again. And then Rasulullah sent back, and then she also said, "Tell Rasulullah I've got a lot of children." Rasulullah said, "Don't worry. When I marry you, your children become my children as well." Then she still another another condition that tell Rasulullah, I'm a woman who is very jealous. Rasulullah said, "Don't worry, I'll pray to Allah to ease your jealousy, to remove jealousy from you." So Rasulullah marry Salama. But the main point here is after Abu Salama passed away, Salama said, "Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un." Then she continued with the dua, "Allahumma ajurni fi musibati wa halufli khayran minha." So as a good Muslims, anytime you have any calamity or disaster, don't just say, "Why me?" shouting. No. Go back to Allah. Recite this, Inna Lillah, and this dua. Inshallah, you see the reward and you see something big coming in your life later. All right. So that's very important to take note of. Yeah. So we try to compose ourselves and then return the affair to Allah. Inshallah, the solution will come in our way. So I hope this tazkirah will help us to be able to have the adab, the principle, the discipline of trying to face calamity or disaster. Okay. I even remember once there was one time Rasulullah and Sayyidatina Aisha, our mother, they were in the room, and then the candle or this kerosene light went off. And Rasulullah said, "Inna lillah." Then Aisha said, "Why did you say that?" Rasulullah said, "Of course, I don't like to be in the darkness, so it's something I don't like. So inna lillah." Okay, all right. So of course, sometime in Malaysia and Ghana, some of us we thought inna lillah is only for when somebody pass away. Kita anggap inna lillah hanya kepada orang kita dapat berita, we get the news that somebody passed away, inna lillah. No, inna lillah is for all calamity, all disaster, something which you don't like. All right, then you recite the dua of Salama, inshallah. So you see, Salama, she was thinking she can never get a husband like Abu Salma. But after reciting Inna Lillahi and the dua she followed with, she married who? She married the best of mankind to walk on this earth, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So you can imagine that, okay? So he, over there, brothers and sisters, Ade Kaka, Kalada Mas'ala, remember, go back to Allah, Inna Lillah wa Inna Ilayhi Raji'un, Allahumma ajurni fi musibati wa halufli hayran minha. That's all from me, your brother, your brother, student Ali Salman of the Prof TV. See you. Assalamu alaikum.